Or I'm gonna take my car to the McDonald's. I'm gonna eat till I can't no more. I got the burgers in the back, trailer is attached. Didn't have enough space, I compensated for that. Eating all by force on the 7th course. Soon I'm gonna vomit, feel like I've eaten a horse. I'm starting to be humongous, looking like Big Chungus. I'm starting to be humongous, looking like Big Chungus. Riding on a scooter, rolling out a hooter, swallowing all my food, man, there's no need for my tours. My life is so laid back, eating like from Mesa, for eating them nuggets, I just seem to have a knack. I'm starting to be humongous, looking like Big Chungus. I'm starting to be humongous.